students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 8.1. So here you have to find the ratio. Okay, in my introduction video I had told you about the how to find the ratio, how to find the percent. So please see that video also. Okay, so here find the ratio, speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to speed of scooter 30 km per hour. So here it is given first number you should write in numerator 15 divided by speed of scooter is 30. Okay, so 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 1 by 2 is your ratio. Here 5 meter to 10 kilometer. So in 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, okay, or 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, like this. Okay, if you change the meter, so it will come 5 by 1000. If you change the kilometer, that is 10 kilometers, so 10 into 1000. So here I am changing the kilometer, 10 into 1000. Okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are. So the ratio is 1 is to 2000. This 1 is to 2, like this. This is 50 paise to rupees 5. Okay students, here you can see this is 50 paise to rupees 5 you have to convert. Okay, so in 1 rupee you have 100 paise. So I will convert this rupees 5 into paise. So rupees 5 equal to 500 paise. Okay, equal to 50 divided by 5 into 100. So 0 0 5 5 is cancelled. So what is your answer? 1 is to 10, like this. The denominator will be after the ratio and the numerator will be in the first part. Okay, that is your question number 1. Okay students, let's see the next question, that is question number 2. You have to convert the following ratios. It is given the ratio, you have to convert into the percentage. So how you will go? This A is 3 by 4. 3 is to 4. I can write here. The first one should be in the numerator and the second after the ratio will be in the denominator. Like this you have to write into 100. Okay. Here 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 zeros are, 2 ones are, 2 25s are, equal to 3 into 25. 3 25s are 75. Okay, so here 75% is your answer A. Here I will solve for the B. Here what can I write the ratio? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 100. So 100 by 3 I know 33.3. 2 into 33.3. So 66.6% is your answer B. So that is your question number 2. Okay students, let's see question number 3 here. 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. Okay, here it is written how many students are good in mathematics. This we have to sort. How many are not good in mathematics? Okay, so we have to solve this one. That is 72% of 25 that is good in mathematics. Okay, so here 72%, so I can write this one as 72 divided by 100. Of means multiply and this 25. So 25 ones are, this is 4 are, 4 ones are, 4 ones are 4, 5 6 7 32, 4 8s are 32. Okay, so here 18, right? So 18 is the number of students good in mathematics. Number of students. Okay, but here it is asking for not good in mathematics. So students, number of students not good in mathematics, right? So here you can write this 25 is the total students, okay, number of students. So 25 minus the number of good in maths, okay, number of students good in maths. So 25 minus 18. So 15 minus 8 is 7 and 2 will cancel, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 7 students that are not good in mathematics. That is your solution number 3rd. Okay students, let's see question number 4. That is your next question. This is a problem sum. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percent was 40, here percent means 100, okay. So 40 matches won out of 100, okay. So then how many matches did they play in all, okay. Here, so one match won equal to 100 divided by 40. I can take the like this, 100 divided by 40. Now we have to calculate for 10 matches, okay. So 10 matches equal to 100 divided by 40 and this should be multiplied by 10, okay. 0 0, 4 ones are 4, 25 are 100. So equal to 25 matches, okay. So answer is Answer is 25 matches they play in all. Okay, so like this you have to solve this question number 4. Okay students, let's see the next question, that is question number 5. Here, if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, okay, we don't know this money, so we have to calculate this money. How much did she have in the beginning? Okay, after spend he have 75%. So money left is equal to 75% of 600. Okay students, here you have to assume the money be rupees 100. Okay, then money spent should be 75% of rupees 100, that is rupees 75. So how much is left? Money left equal to rupees 100 minus rupees 75, that is rupees 25. Okay, so rupees 25 left out of rupees 100. So rupee 1 left out of rupees 100 divided by this 25 will come here. Okay, now we have to calculate rupees 600. Rupees 600 left out of, this is the total money she had left, okay, from the beginning. So this will be 100 divided by 25 into 600. So 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100. So equal to 4 into 600, that is equal to rupees 2400. So that is your answer, rupees 2400 in in the beginning. Okay. Okay students, this is the last question of my video. Okay, so here you can see this question. If 60% of people in a city like cricket, so 60% like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? We have to calculate the percent who the people who like other games other than that cricket and football. Okay, if the total number of people are 50 lakh, this is number of people 50 lakh it is given. So find the exact number who like each type of game. So we have to calculate the percentage also for the exact number for each type of game, means for the cricket, for the football and for the other games. Okay, so total people equal to 50 lakh like this. Okay, this is the solution. Total people is 50 lakh. For cricket is equal to this 60%. Here it is given 60%. So 60% of 50 lakh. So this 0 will cancel, this 0 will cancel. So what I get here, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, 6 5s are 30 lakh is your answer for the cricket. Then for football, what is the percent given? 30%. So 30 by 100 into 50 lakh. 0 0 cancel, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 zeros, 5 3s are 15. It is coming 15 lakh. Okay, 15 lakh people likes football. Now for other games, I will write here. Other games will be addition of this two minus this one. Okay, so 50 lakh minus 30 lakh plus 15 lakh. Okay, equal to 50 lakh minus what it will be, 2 3 5. 5 zeros are there. Here 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 45 lakh. So here what I get, 5 lakh. For other games, how much? It is 5 lakh. So here you have to find the exact number who like each type of game. Okay, so these are the numbers and we have to, if you find the percentage of other games will be the number of the other games. Okay, number of people of other games is 5 lakh upon total number of people, that is 50 lakh into 100. Okay, that like this you have to, 2 zeros are cancelled, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So 5 ones are 5 tens are. So how much percent? 10% is your answer who like other games, and the number here I can write here 10%. Okay, so if it is the exact number, so exact number is this one. Okay, 5 lakh people like other games, and the 10% if you want to convert into the percentage, so percentage of other games is 5 lakh divided by the total number of people into 100, that is the 10%. So this is the last question. I hope you understand up till here. In the next video I will cover exercise 8.2. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.